Sandal, and today will be part 2 of our stress management series. So as we go through this particular progressive muscle relaxation, also known as PMR, we want to focus on tensing those muscle groups and relaxing them. Now, as you're doing that, I want you to imagine you're allowing yourself the opportunity to think about or to even focus on stressors, those worries, those things that really are bothering you and that you think may be causing you to become stressed. The reason why I want you to do that is because what do we have next? We have that relaxation. So you're allowing yourself the opportunity to just simply acknowledge what it is that you're feeling in your body as well as in your mind, but we're not holding on to those things. This is literally the practice of acknowledgement and letting go at the same time. What happens when we are holding on to those things? Our mind not only starts to worry and ruminate on negative thoughts, but our body also starts to feel all of that stress and can cause a lot of pain and issues that honestly, I know you and I both don't want, right? As you're going through this exercise with me, make sure that you focus on those particular things. All right, we're going to do a bit of a shorter version of it. And so I just want you to really just take a seat back, relax, so that the environment that you are in is quiet and that you are in a very comfortable seating position. Now, I want you to close your eyes and take a few deep breaths so that you can relax. So go ahead and do that. Close your eyes and take some breaths in and let some of that air go out. I want you to start by focusing on your toes, tensing them for a few seconds, and then releasing the tension. Now, I want you to move on to the next muscle group, which is in your feet. Tense them and then relax them. Now, I want you just to imagine that your focus is on your calves. Tense those calves and then release. Now, I want you to move up towards the upper part of your leg and focus your attention on your thighs. Tense them and then release. Let's take a deep breath in through our nose, and we're going to exhale through our mouth. Now, I want you to continue going up your body and focus on your stomach area. Focus on that area, tense it up. You may also feel your back tensing as well. And release. Now let's focus on our hands. You can tense your hands tight and release. Now I want you to focus on your arms, this part of your arms, the upper arm. Tense it and release. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale. Now let's focus on our shoulders and our neck. Let's tense them up and release. A lot of us hold tension in this area, in our neck and our shoulders. So we definitely can be doing these things throughout the day to make sure that we're not holding on to this. Not holding on to the stress, holding on to the worries. We're letting those things go and we're just reminding ourselves that we're okay. Let's take a deep breath in and release. Now you can also go into your facial muscles. There's one that we like to do where you're focusing on your mouth and you can tighten up your lips and release. At this point, you should definitely start to feel relaxed over your entire body. And I need you to say this with me. I am okay. I am relaxed. Things are working out in my favor. I have things in control. I have people to support me. I have everything I need. Let's take that last deep breath in and exhale. And you can open your eyes if your eyes have been closed.